So this fire will undoubtedly go down as one of the biggest fires that this city has ever seen. It became another in a list of fires at empty apartment buildings under construction that this city has seen in previous years. Last night's fire felt a bit like deja vu for many people in the metro area. On December 16th, 2023, a massive fire broke out at an apartment building that was under construction on Colfax and Peoria. That's right across the street from Children's Hospital. This is video that you're seeing from that one, but looks eerily similar to this one. It took the fire crews several days to put out hot spots and even forced the closure of that intersection for about a month. Aurora Fire says it ended up costing $150 million in property loss. No cause was determined. In March of 2018, a 3-alarm fire engulfed an apartment building under construction in Uptown at 18th and Emerson. The fire killed 2 men. It also damaged several nearby buildings. Denver Fire still doesn't know the cause for that one. And in December of 2013, another fire, 3-alarm fire, broke out at an apartment building under construction in Glendale. It caused more than $12 million in damages. It appears arson caused that fire, although it was never determined. We'll continue to follow the fallout and reconstruction of last night's fire. You can find all that information and more on 9news.com.